If you're still doing 30 or 40 fast reps hoping your thigh fat will disappear, stop. Most people overwork their legs and still don't get slim legs. Today I'm showing you something much smarter. Just 7 controlled reps, that's it. Not 70, not endless squeezing. Just 7 done properly. And this is specifically for thigh fat and for getting slim legs without running, without jumping, and without long, exhausting routines. Let me ask you something honestly before we begin. When you walk, do your inner thighs rub against each other? Yes or no? And when you look in the mirror wearing fitted clothes, do you feel your thighs look heavier than you want them to? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. Thigh fat is stubborn. It doesn't respond to random movement. It only responds to controlled muscle activation. I am dietitian Natasha Mohan, but at one time I used to be really overweight too, and people used to call me Thunder Thighs in my friends' circle. Of course, everybody gets a name, don't they? But never mind, I've managed to lose the weight and finally have slim legs eventually. Only with simple and easy movements that I'm going to show you today. But at one time, I did have chub rub, which is the friction between the thighs which causes redness and immense pain. If you feel it too, do let me know in the comment section. Just say, yes, I do too. Now listen carefully. This is one simple thigh movement. We are not doing 4 completely different exercises. It is the same movement pattern. We are just changing the angle slightly so the inner thigh works fully from top to bottom. Same movement, different angle, just 7 reps each. Yes, you heard that right. So let's begin this exercise. Now the best thing about it is that it is completely beginner friendly. You can do it in the comfort of your own bed, of your own room. You don't have to wear shoes early in the morning to go out to the gym, make an extra effort. Just get out of bed and wake up in the morning and do these exercises. That's it. So let's do it together. The first movement, before I show you, I need to show you some loosening exercises so you can do these exercises properly. So with just 2 movements, I'm going to help you loosen up your muscles so that we can get on with the main simple movement very quickly. Let's do it together. For that very movement, you have to sit like this, in this position, and you have to hold your toes together and you have to flap your knees like they're wings. Yes. It's called the Titli Asana in yoga, which literally means and translates to butterfly. So you have to flap your wings like a butterfly, and here your wings are this very part, your thighs. This is for loosening up. Stay with me. It's a simple routine and you must follow it. It's very important. First thing, when you start exercising, you have to loosen up. Now I'm going to start with the first movement, which is simple and easy. For that, you have to sit straight like this with your back straight, your core muscles tucked in absolutely tight, and your shoulders pushed backwards. Now we're going to rest our arms here, your hands, and you're going to, like you're walking and bending your knee, this position. You have to bend your knee and bring it to 90-degree angle, and then we have to take it straight and like this. Now this is super effective for the entire leg area. Let's do it together. We're going to do this only 7 times, so be careful and be mindful of your posture. This is the first. We complete a cycle. First round completed. Now second. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. We've completed 7 times this very movement, and now you can feel a slight stretch around this very area. Now let me show you a slight variation of this very movement. Now let me show you the next variation, which is again super easy and simple. You got to put your hands like this on the side, your legs straight, pull your legs up together 90 degrees both, and then straight like this. See, It's so simple. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There you go. Now I'm going to show you another simple and easy variation of this very exercise. Now for the next exercise, you have to bend your leg like this, then take it like this, then again like this, and stretch. See, it's so simple. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. You've managed to do 3 different moves very well, and now I'm going to show you one last variation, and this is the best. Now for the last variation, again you have to sit in this position, then you have to keep one leg absolutely stationary and the other one should be bent, and then this one will also slightly go downwards to this side. Both will come towards the same side. Now both will bend towards your right side. See, it's so simple. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, do you feel the burn? I surely do. And if you think you don't feel it enough, then let's go for another round. Just play the video all over again and do it with me together, because you have successfully completed this very cycle and you're sure to see results. If you think you want to make it slightly more advanced level, then just repeat this format again and you will surely see amazing results. Now coming back to the eating pattern which most of you follow at home. First of all, if you're able to cook fresh meals a day and not depend on food which is a takeaway or from outside which is made of processed food, lots of sugar and obviously simple carbs, then please avoid that, because freshly cooked meals have no comparison and they are definitely better than outside food. This is the first change you can make in your eating pattern. Besides this, you must have 3 meals a day which are balanced enough with your protein, your carbs and your fats. Please keep the fat intake low because we know where it's hitting. Now coming on to the program which I offer you, which is the paid weight loss program, Amazing 360-degree Transformation. You can just click on the link given below in the description and you can avail it too. You can connect with me over call by just clicking on the link given below in the description.